Are you looking for the best wood carving knives? Here we will break down the top 8 best wood carving knives on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. BeaverCraft Sloyd Whittling Knife. The carbon steel blade you get here is sharp and shaped to a fine point that will empower users to put fine details on their work. It's small enough to be workable, and the shape lends itself very well to the human hand. But for all that we like about the knife, there are some issues as well. One thing that we noticed is that it's very susceptible to rust and nicks. It will also dull quicker than many whittlers might be used to. For the money, this isn't exactly a surprise, but it's not great to see. At number 2. Morakniv Wood Carving 120. Morakniv Wood Carving 120 knife is an excellent all-around carving knife and comes at a very cheap price, but does the job nicely. The design of 120 is traditional. 120's handle is small enough to handle most of the detailed carving you will likely do. It can be the perfect add-on to your arsenal of wood carving knife sets. More knives arrive carving sharp right out of the box. The blade has a flat scanty grind, meaning there is no micro bevel at the knife's edge, which makes it a very sharp blade and easy to maintain. The traditional design of the knife keeps the blade and fingers safe. The natural wood grain provides just the right texture, comfortable and ergonomic, and grip. It's a decent knife with good value for the money. The handle feels nice in the hands and makes a good grip. But you've to make sure it doesn't come under the contact of a sharp thing. If it does, then handle won't be safe. At number 3. Opinel Number 8. Opinel has been the trusted knife brand for well over a century. It has a growing line of folding knives, and this one has sold out all the others significantly. It is small enough to be a pocket knife, yet its size is versatile for several applications. The carbon blade is 3.25 inches, preventing it from being deemed as a weapon in most states. With the blade being made of carbon, it is extremely sharp, holds an edge for extended periods of time, and resharpens easily. It cuts through just about anything like no other knife. Whittling becomes an incredibly easy task with the number 8. As a safety measure, Opinel installs a VeroBlock ring locking system on these knives. The VeroBlock prevents the blade from closing while opened, as well as opening when closed. The handle is hardwood, ensuring that it will be durable for sustained use. The overall knife is also light and makes for easy handling. The Opinel Number 8 is extremely efficient and practical, serving their users well for many years. However, it is more widely known for its historicity and beauty. In fact, Opinel knives have been named one of the top 100 most beautiful products in the world. The classic design makes the knife easy to handle and easier to use, and is one of the best whittling knives you can find. At number 4. Flexcut Whittlin Jack. Flexcut Whittlin Jack is one of the best whittling pocket knives. Flexcut Whittlin Jack is a fixed blade with pre-sharpened and razor's edge high carbon steel blade knife. Product dimensions are 5.9 x 8 x 0.9 inches, shipping weight 4.8 ounces, 2 blade with carbon steel. Whittlin Jack includes a detail knife, 1/123 long, and a roughing knife, 23 long. The blade materials of Flexcut Whittlin Jack are high carbon steel, knife blades are pre-sharpened. 2 knife blade, one is 1/123 long detail knife and another is 23 long roughing knife. Sharpen the blade frequently to protect the knife dullness. Smart, strong and easy to grip. Aluminum handles that have a great look and lightweight carryable pocket knife. Comfortable handle design with wood and aluminum frame, thus have an awesome combination. Almost fit in every hand. At number 5. Oldtimer 24 OT Splinter Carvin. If the idea of many blades in one appeals, this pocket knife from Oldtimer might be the one for you. It features 6 different blades, all of which are made from high carbon steel. There's a straight gouge, a hook blade, and a detail blade. Add to that a V-scorp blade, gouge scorp blade and chisel blade, and you have all your whittling needs covered. The blades are each about 1.5 inches long. And there's a textured handle to help keep a firm grip while you work. The blades here don't lock into place. That's not a problem with a whittling tool, where you won't be applying the pressure that would make locking necessary. The steel isn't the thickest, but that means it's easy to sharpen. And the price is very competitive too. At number 6. The Flexcut Simple Cutting. If you are looking for a top-rated whittling knife, you might want to consider this one offered by Flexcut. Users love the quality and ergonomics of this product, but there are several complaints regarding the loose blade. This product is a 1/1/4 straight-edged knife with an ergonomic ash hardwood handle for prolonged periods of carving without fatigue. Its razor-sharp hard carbon steel blade is ready to use right out of the package. This item could be a good choice if you are looking for a perfect general-purpose carving knife. At number 7. The Morakniv Wood Carving Junior Knife. If you are looking for a whittling knife, you might want to consider the Morakniv Wood Carving Junior Knife. This product comes from a Swedish manufacturer of the highest quality knives. It features an ergonomically designed oiled birchwood handle and a thin carbon steel blade with finger protection guard. If you are looking for a premium quality whittling knife, this might be a good option. Users are happy with the Morakniv wood carving junior knife. They like that it is very sharp and holds the edge well. They agree that it is a very light and handy whittling knife. The knife is small enough to be easily controlled and maneuvered, as well as that it is great for detail carving. At number 8. Flexcut right-handed carving jack. This is the perfect whittling knife for campers because of its versatile design and its lightweight. The right-handed carving jack only weighs 3.5 ounces, so it won't add too much to the overall mass of your gear, but unlike other lightweight options, this one is built to last. There are 6 tools on this whittling knife, and each of them is designed for a specific task. For example, the carving knife is a more versatile tool that can be used for whittling, detailing, and more. The hook knife will give you a little bit more of an angle to work with or when the carving blade can't reach. If you want to make bowls or spoons, you'll have a choice of 2 scorps to work with, and each of them is more efficient than you would expect for their size. Keep in mind that this multi-tool for whittlers has relatively small blades due to its compact design, so you'll still work a little slower. These tools arrive fully sharpened and ready to use right out of the packaging, so you won't have to waste time learning how to factory sharpen them. Of course, the time will eventually come when you have to sharpen the blades yourself after extended use, and the tool also comes with a handy strap included.